Welcome to the Cars Pal channel. We bring you innovative car accessories and gadgets to help you enhance your driving experience. Stay tuned with us to make your every journey easier. Are you still worried about flat tires and temporary flat tires on the road? This Astroe portable tire inflator solves your problem. It adopts the exclusive tough ultra powder metallurgy technology. The key components are molded in one piece. Wear resistant, heat resistant, and the lifespan is increased by 30%. Simpler to use, just press the M button to select the unit, set the pressure, and it will stop automatically when it reaches the preset value. No need to keep a close eye on it. Compact size, easy to store in the glove compartment, seat or trunk. Does not take up space. A must-have on the go. Digital screen plus 4 unit choices, plus 1 key preset. Even a novice can get started quickly. Not afraid to use at night, it comes with a backlit screen and LED flashlight. 1 key to light up, clearly visible in the dark. Unisex and car essential. 1 in hand, travel without worry. Why should you use Blue Driver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable, professional OBD2 scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. Blue Driver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with Blue Driver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes. Blue Driver is simple to use. Just purchase the Blue Driver sensor, download the free app. Plug the sensor into your OBD2 port and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. And here is nothing extra to buy. Ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes. Then when the issue is fixed, use Blue Driver to turn the check engine light off. With Blue Driver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging, and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission ABS, and other module codes. Blue Driver built and supported by a team of professional engineers. In North America, it's the portable wireless scan tool professionals. Trust most. Get Blue Driver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle. Is your car really clean? This 7,000 pascals high suction car vacuum cleaner, whether it's food crumbs, dog hair, sand, or soil, all of them will be cleaned in one go. Powerful suction, plus LED light illumination. Seat bottom, corners, and crevices are all cleaned in place. With a variety of brushes, crevice nozzle, dusting brush, hose, all complete. The dead space in the car. Plug-and-play design. Plug in the cigarette lighter and go. 16.4 feet long cord easily reach the trunk. Weighs only 1.75 pounds. Stress-free one-handed operation. Suitable for both men and women. It also comes with a washable HEPA filter plus spare filter, which is environmentally friendly and saves money. A real mobile cleaning station. Make your car new. Your car battery suddenly died. Don't panic. This 3000 a supercharged car emergency starter power supply is easy to deal with the unexpected situation. With 3000 amp peak current, it can instantly start engines up to 9L gasoline or 7L diesel. Whether it's a car, motorcycle, truck, RV, or tractor, it's easy to handle. Not only can it save your car, it is also your portable charging treasure. Dual USB ports can charge cell phones, tablets, laptops, multi-purpose, traveling with more peace of mind. Equipped with 10 intelligent safety protection, anti-reverse connection, anti-short circuit, anti-parking, safe and reliable. Do not hurt the car. Equipped with 400 lumens, strong light flashlight, support flash, strobe, SOS 3 modes, super convenient to use at night. Range up to 48 hours, lightweight, easy to carry, is the necessary emergency hero in your car. Charmille starter power supply, the critical moment, never fall off the chain. Hi everyone, I am Ford, your host for today, and I've been with Rescue Me for 1 year, and my goal is to make sure everyone knows how to be prepared. In case of emergency, what happens if you find yourself upside down, trapped in your car, possibly underwater? Well, let me tell you, you try to find your way out as fast as possible. Water is rising and every second counts. You actually have between 30 and 90 seconds before your car becomes completely submerged. But what if your seatbelt is jammed and your car electrical system gives out like this? So you can no longer open the vehicle to escape. Fortunately, we got your back. This is the Rescue Me, a 2-in-1 contact seat belt cutter and window breaker. This tool is literally a lifesaver. And guess what? It is proudly made in the USA. We're also proud to say that it has been carried by first responders since its inception, and that it saves a life on average every 15 days. 12 million people carry this keychain. But how does it work, you ask? Let me show you. First, remove the key ring exposing the blade, and then cut at a 45-degree angle like this. Now here is how you use the Rescue Me. In case of car entrapment, simply press the tool against one of the 4 corners of the window, and press the black part of the tool against the window. Like this. You know the best part about this, it only costs $9.95, pretty good deal, and press the black part of the tool against the window. Like this. You know the best part about this, it only costs $9.95, difficult to charge in the back row. This car charger, one time all solved. Take a look at this retractable car charger mounted directly behind the headrest. 3 charging cables, iPhone, Type-C, micro USB through support. Installation is super easy, snap fastening with non-slip pads firmly fit the headrest column, not shaking, not falling. The front row can also be easily powered. It also comes with a 59-inch long cable and 3 cable management clips, hiding the cable neatly and uncluttered. OCD are satisfied. Support fast charging, no problem. Cell phone, iPad can be fast. Up to 8W for iPhone type. C supports 9V. iPad directly up to 10W. Speed is not a problem. The most considerate design. All 3 cables can be retracted. The longest can be pulled up to 54 centimeters, and it can be automatically recycled when you are done using it, which is clean and tidy. It can also be rotated 360 degrees, no matter you lie down, sit down. Crooked charging is no problem. Intelligent protection is also arranged. Anti-overheating, anti-overcharge, anti-current, safe and secure. One device, the whole car can be charged satisfactorily. Don't have a decent toolkit at home yet? Then you've got to check this out. This 325-piece ultra complete toolbox is not only practical, but also a great value. Once you open it, it is a sliding drawer large capacity design, which can hold more than a normal toolbox. Every tool is neatly organized and easy to see. From screwdrivers, wrenches, hammers, tape measures, pliers to a variety of precision tools, 1/4 and 3/8-inch sockets, you name it. 72-tooth ratchet for smoother operation, and a wide variety of screwdriver bits, Phillips, slotted, star, square, meter. Whether it's furniture installation, appliance repair, or DIY crafts, it can handle it all. High-quality steel plus heat-treated chrome plating process. Not only strong and durable, but also not afraid of rust. The handle is made of TPR material, soft grip, save energy and comfortable to use. The tools all meet ANSI standards, quality assured. Whether it's for home, car, workshop or engineering repair, this set can handle the whole scene. Meet the all-new Karcher K1700, electric and easy to use, with the power and durability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on and wash. The K1700 generates 1700 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Restore your home's exterior, and then clean your patio furniture and garage doors. The K1700 quickly cleans your car, your kids' play areas, and your house. Deck and driveway, Carter cleaner quicker, the lightweight and portable. K1700 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame, you operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you are done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility, so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference. This adjustable long-handle car wash brush is going to be so great at cleaning your car or also cleaning around your house. So you are going to get this 4-section adjustable aluminum pole so you can use whatever height you want to help make cleaning easier. It is super lightweight, super easy to assemble, and very sturdy. You also are going to get 4 different attachment pieces. So you have this rubber wiper, which cleans windows and windshields, a soft brush head, which is going to be very dense and soft and has very soft bristles, so you don't have to worry about this. Scratching the paint on your car, a mop head, which is a microfiber material, and it is super soft, so it's not going to leave limp behind. A tire brush, which is a sponge and chenille material. You can also use this on a wet or dry object, so you could use this. But I love that this sponge cover is very comfortable to grip. Very comfortable to grip. You can grip the sponge cover with your hand and clean all around your vehicle. It also has a 180-degree rotatable head, so that just makes cleaning even that much easier. You have a built-in on-off switch as well. This brush head has 6 spouts on it, so it's going to rinse and clean at the same time. So you are going to be able to clean your vehicle even faster than before. But I just love how easy everything is to use and how well it cleans, and that you can use this on your vehicle or around your home. This is such a great quality. Here is that sponge cover that is, again, can be held with your hand or placed on the brush. Aluminum pole, and then you have this tire brush. But this is such a great quality, I highly recommend this product. Odor in the car. The air is cloudy after sitting for a long time. This car powerful negative ion deodorizer. A plug and play, the air immediately fresh. It releases 5.6 million negative ions per second through needlepoint ionization technology, effectively decomposing the air of mold, smoke, dust, pollen, PM 2.5 bacteria. Truly deodorizing plus antiseptic plus anti-allergic, removing odors from the source and breathing with peace of mind. Installation in just one step. Inserted into the cigarette lighter. Automatic start. No need to replace the filter. No need to clean. Truly plug and forget. And it's also a USB 3.0 fast charger, support dual port charging at the same time. For your cell phone, tablet, fire back to blood, one step faster. The exterior design is full of sense. Silver metal dome plus blue ambient light, low key with high grade. Regardless of male car owners, female car owners, put it in the car is super quality. Now get your hands on one tops mini. Purification sought fast charging, sought value, not lacking.